Did you know that you can change the background of your videos from this to this to this to this? Yeah, and you can also add this and this. Crazy, right? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the background of your videos, and not just changing the background of your videos. I'll show you how to add some cool elements to make you have a proper studio setup without having an actual studio. Yes, this will make your video look more professional and engaging to your audience. My name is Jan Francis. Let's get started. Step one is to record your video. Now, if you can record your video using a green background or a plain background, that would be best. But if you cannot, just record your video and follow the steps I'm about to share with you in this video. Step two, open ChatGPT. If you don't have ChatGPT, just go to Play Store and download it, or you can use their website. Now on ChatGPT, paste this prompt. Let me paste the prompt. This is the prompt that we are going to be using to generate 4 different background. Now this method works best if you want to customize a background to your brand name. You understand? Now, after this method, I'm going to share with you another method where you can go and get already made background that you can use. But this method is for you to be able to customize your background to your taste. So I'll be dropping all the prompts I'm going to be using in this video on my Telegram channel. Link to join my Telegram channel is in the description box of this video. So here is the prompt. Generate a text prompt for 4 different modern studio background, 16:9 ratio, realistic lighting, stylish and minimalistic setup. Each background should feature a wall with a hanging portrait frame, and inside the portrait, a text. Jem Francis Okeke. This is where my brand name comes in. My name is Jem Francis. Jem Francis Okeke. This is my brand name. Is written elegantly. Now you can customize this thing to fit and match your brand. So you're just going to hit on send. Alright, so now ChatGPT has given us 4 different prompts that we can use. We're just going to copy this, paste it in our notebook, and copy it one by one and generate different background. Now, after this method, I'm just going to show you a simple and straightforward method of getting your background easily and free. Yes. Now, I'm just going to copy this and I'll go to my notebook and paste it. Alright, so now I've pasted all the prompts on my notebook. The next step is for us to head on to this AI. It's called Whisk AI. It's an AI by Google. It's free. Just go to your browser. On your browser, search for Whisk. You're going to see the first option. This is the one. But I'll also be leaving the link in the description below so that you can go to the site direct. So click on it. And it's going to bring you to this interface. Just click on Launch Whisk, the first option. So once you click on Launch Whisk, it's going to bring you to this interface. Just paste that prompt that we copied from ChatGPT. And on Whisk AI, if you click here, this is where you change the aspect ratio. Let's say you are creating this video for YouTube, you are creating it for Facebook. Just click here and you can see the aspect ratio. You can see square, portrait, and landscape, depending on the platform you are creating the video for. So you are creating this video for YouTube, so I'm just going to leave it at 16:9 aspect ratio. But if I'm creating it for Facebook, I'll go for 9:16. So then you hit on send. Now it's going to generate the background for us. Let's wait. And under few seconds, this is the background that we generated from Whisk AI. This is the background. You can see that is a white background. Let me move this. And you can see that my name is at the middle of the background. Jen Francis Okeke, my brand name. So I'll just click on it to save it, to download it to your phone, and it's going to be downloaded straight to your phone. Now repeat this method. Copy the second prompt, paste it here, copy the third prompt, paste it here. Use it to generate different backgrounds, and then you make your choice, the one that you want to use for your project. Now I'm going to generate the rest of the background. After that, I'll show you guys what we generated and also show you a simple and fast method of getting different high quality background that you can use for your videos. This background are already made. Alright, so now I've generated all the background, all the customized background. You can see that my name is showing here, Jen Francis Okeke. So this method, you can use it to customize your own background using your brand name. So you can see all the background, you can see it. You can also see my name here, my brand name, Jen Francis Okeke. You can see it. So these are the 4 background that we generated from Whisk AI. Now this method works if you want to use a customized background that nobody else is using. You want to customize your own background. This method is going to work for you. Now for the easy method, I call it the fast forward method. For those that don't have the strength to go to ChatGPT to get a prompt and create their own customized background themselves, this is the easy method. Download this app. It's called Pinterest. Once you download it, just open Pinterest, and on Pinterest, go to the search bar and search for modern studio background. Modern studio background. Now, once you search on modern studio background, you are going to see a lot of cool backgrounds that you can download for free. Like a lot of them, you can see different backgrounds. All these backgrounds are already there waiting for you to come and select. So you can see a lot of background. You can make your choices. You can choose a variety of them. You can see this one is quite cool. This one is elegant. So you can see a lot of background that you can come here and get. This one is also nice. You can see a lot of background. So if you want to download the background to your phone, just click at these 3 dots. If you click on these 3 dots, you're going to see download image. Just download the image and you use it to create your videos. Now, let's go to the next step. Now that I've shown you how to get different backgrounds for your video, let's move to the next step. If you observed clearly, you can see that at the beginning, at the intro of my video, I added a microphone and a share. Now, let me show you how to get one yourself. Go to Whisk AI. Now, on Whisk AI, let me delete this. Now, paste this prompt now. Like I said, I'll be dropping all the prompts I'm using in this video on my Telegram channel. Link to join my Telegram channel is in the description box of this video. And hold on, before we continue, if you want to learn how to edit video like a pro using just your smartphone, or you want to learn how to use AI plus AI animations to create high quality and engaging videos, smartphone video editing with J is what you need. To get access to my course and mentorship, link is in the description box of this video. With that being said, let's continue. So just paste this prompt on Whisk AI. This is a prompt that we are going to use to generate a microphone, a green screen microphone that we are going to be using for the editing part. So just hit on send. I'll be dropping all the prompts in my Telegram channel. Hit on send. It's going to generate a mounted microphone for us. Let's wait. After that, we generate the share and we move to the final part. And this is what we have. So I'm just going to download one of these microphone. We are going to be using it for editing. Sorry, let me download this. It's going to be downloaded straight to my phone. Now I'm going to paste another prompt. That is a prompt to generate a green screen share. Like I said, I'll be dropping all these prompts on my Telegram channel. Or you can just go online and search for green screen share and green screen microphone. But I like to generate my stuff myself to avoid copyrights or any issues. So I'll just paste the prompt, consent, and now Whisk AI is going to generate the share for us. Now remember, Whisk AI is free, no limitations. You can generate as many image as you want, and there is no watermark. So I'm just going to download the one that I want to use for the video. So I'll just download this one. It's going to be downloaded straight to my phone. Now, so the last and the final step, that is editing. For this editing, you can use any editing app of your choice, the one that you have available. We have CapCut, we have InShot, we have KineMaster, we have VN. For the free ones, we have VN and InShot. So CapCut has gradually made all their features pro. Things that used to be free are no longer free on CapCut. And for the sake of those people that cannot pay for all these software, we are going to be using a free one for this tutorial. We are going to be using InShot. Yes. Want me to make a video on free video editors that you can start using today? Let me know in the comment section. So download InShot. If you haven't downloaded it, just go to Play Store and download it. It's free, though there are some features that are pro. So this is the InShot app. Click on it. And once you load, it's going to bring you to this interface. You can see video, click on video. Click on video. You're going to see create new. Just click on create new and select the background that you want to use. Just click on create new. So I have this video. This is the intro video. You can see that is green screen. So this video is what I'm going to be using for this tutorial. So just click on that create new. Once you click on create new, sorry I had to blur out some part of this video for privacy. Now once you click on create new, go to photos. At the back you're going to see video, you're going to see photo. Just click on photos. And once you click on photos, select any background of your choice from the ones we have generated. Select the background that you feel that works best for you. So I'm just going to select one of the customized background that we generated. Alright, so now I've selected the background I want to use first. Now if you notice, you can see a watermark here. That one is not an issue. Just click on here to remove it, and they're going to prompt you to wash and add. Then after washing the add, they are going to remove the watermark automatically. Now the first thing that we need to add is to add the share. That is the green screen share that we generated from Whisk AI. Now why I want to add the share first is I noticed something. The layer, how to layer using InShot is kind of, should I say, complicated for beginners. Unlike CapCut, if you're a video editor, you know what I mean by layer, like how to arrange the overlays in your videos. If you're not a video editor, this might sound complicating to you. So that's why I chose to go in order: the share first, our video, then the microphone. On CapCut, you could easily, there is a separate button that says layer. If you click on it, then you can choose whether it's going to be layer 1, layer 2, layer 3. But that's a different case on InShot. There is a method that you use to do that one. So it's quite complicated for a beginner to understand. So that's why we are going to go step by step so that you get all the points, you don't miss anything. So but first of all, let me move this thing. You can see that is 5 seconds. So let me move it. My video is about 30 seconds. So now that I've adjusted the length of the background, let me import the share first. Now to import the share, just click on pip. Let me show you guys. This is, click on pip. Now pip is the same thing as overlay. If you're using CapCut or any other editing app, just click on overlay. But on InShot, it's called pip. So click on pip and we select the share that we want to import. Increase this and then we go to cutout. This is cutout. Click on cutout. Then once you click on cutout, you can see that we have cutout and chrome key. Now cutout, you can use this if you don't have a green screen, you just have your normal background, use this. If you have a green screen or a plain color that you can easily remove, just use chrome key. So I'm just going to use chrome key since I have a green screen. So I'll click on chrome key and I move this to the part that I want to remove, that is the green part, and I increase the strength a little and then increase the shadow a little. So this is okay. Now I'll increase this and bring it down. All right, so we have our share now, and I'll increase this, extend this to the end of the video. Okay, let's just leave it like that. Now let's import another one. Now we are going to be importing the video that we want to remove the background, the video that we want to change the background. So I have this video, is a green screen, so I'm just going to import it. If you don't have your green screen, just import your video. So I'll click on pip again. Remember, pip is the same thing as overlay. Then click on it and you click on this part that says pip, add pip, and then we select the video. Alright, so I've selected the video. I'm just going to expand this to fit the screen. I'm just going to expand this. Now let's go to cutout. Go to cutout. Now, if you used a green screen, pay attention. If you used a green screen or a plain color in your background, use chrome key. If you used just a normal background just for recording, use cutout. Cutout can still work for both, but if you have a specific color that is plain in your background, use chrome key. So I'll just select on chrome key and I choose the color that I want to remove, that is the green, and I'll increase the strength to remove the color completely. Yeah, so this is okay. And then I'll click on this share to bring it down a little, bring it down. Yeah, so we have successfully added the share. Now let's add the microphone, the green screen microphone that we generated from Whisk AI, if you are following us step by step. So go to Peep again, go to Peep, and we add Peep, and go to photos, and we select the microphone. So this is the microphone, and we go to cutout, and we select Chrome key, and we move this, increase the strength, increase the shadow, and this is okay. Now we extend this, bring it down, make it a little bit smaller. All right, so we have added the microphone. Now let's extend everything to stop at the same place. That is the duration. So I'm just going to cut this part out, split, and delete this part, split, delete. All right, also delete this part, split, and we delete. All right, so now let's play the video and see what we have. Did you know that you can change the background of your videos from this to this to this to this? Yeah, and you can also add this and this. All right, so this part that it says, you know that you can change the background of your videos from this to this to this. Let me show you guys. That you can change the background of your videos from this to this. Now this part that it says this, I'm just going to click here and we click on split. Then I'll click here to add another background, not Peep. Click on this red plus icon. If you click on the red plus icon, you can see add blank, add video slash photo. So I'll just go for this second one, add video slash photo. Once you click on it, I'm going to select one of the background that we have. So I'll just select this background. All right, let's play the video again. Did you know that you can change the background of your videos from this to this to this? So you can see that I'm supposed to cut this thing here. So just adjust this. So let's play it and see. Did you know that you can change the background of your videos from this to this to this to this? Yeah, so you can also use this same method and repeat for the rest of the video where it says you can also change from this to this to this. Just split and add another background, split and add another background. So I think this brings us to the end of this tutorial. If you want to learn directly from me, if you want me to be your coach and your mentor, you want to learn how to edit videos like a pro, use AI plus AI animations to create high engaging and quality content all from your smartphone. Link to get access to my course and mentorship is in the description box of this video. See you guys on my next video. Peace out.